Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening o anumang oras nyo napanood ang ating video. Welcome sa ating channel, Matuto Dapat. Today, we have to discuss equivalent rates in compound interest. Again, this is your Professor Engineer Eduardo Tapia. And let's continue. The rate percent used in compound interest is called nominal rate, R, with compounding frequency M per year. Now, effective rate W, on the other hand, is the rate compounded annually. Hence, in this topic, we must compute the equivalent rates. 1. Nominal versus effective rates. And 2. Nominal versus the nominal rates. So, nominal rate to effective rates, W. Ito yung formula natin. Ibig sabihin, we are na converting the we are converting nominal rates R into W. Ano ba yung equivalent rates na nominal rate compounded certain period in a year compared to compounded annually. So W equals 1 plus R over M raised to M, since in 1 year, ang yung ating exponent here should be M. For 1 year, T is 1. No? So M dito, the same lang din yan sa ating exponent, and minus 1. Okay? So, ito yung nominal natin na rate. So kung itong minus 1 ay galing yan dito sa 1 plus W, no? Wherein this is done yearly or annual compounded annually rate, no? So pwede rin naman nating i R over M as what we discussed last topic. So that's R over M is I. Okay, next, effective rate to nominal rate naman. So ang ating magiging formula is this one. R equals M times the M root of 1 plus W minus 1. M root po ito ha. Okay. The nominal rate R1 to nominal rate R sub 2. Yan, ito naman ang magiging formula natin. Okay. So diniderive po natin yan, no? Equivalent rates. So, ang N, compounding frequency per year. Ang N natin, total number of compounding period kung kailangan ng N. No? I is R over M, the compound interest. Yung rate R natin is the nominal rate. No? Tapos yung W ay yung effective rate. Example 1. Find the nominal rate compounded monthly which is equivalent to 4% compounded quarterly. So, ang given natin, ang atin pong R1 ay 4% o 0.04 compounded quarterly, so M is 1. I natin ay 0.01. Whereas to solve R sub 2, and it is compounded monthly. So ano po ba ang equivalent rates niya? Okay. Solution to find for R sub 2. So this is the formula. R sub 2 equals M sub 2 times the quantity of the M root of M sub 2 M root of 1 plus R sub 1 over M sub 1 raised to M sub 1 minus 1. Okay, and substitute the formula, the given to the formula. So you have 12 times the 12 root of 1 plus 0.01 raised to 4 minus 1. So, itong nandito sa loob, ito, solve natin using the mathematical computations, no? Gamit tayo ng calculator. We come up this decimal form, 0.0033222284 times 12. We come up, R sub 2 natin ay 0.399, 0.0399 or 3.99%, although almost the same, no? Kasi pababa naman, medyo mababa kunti, no? So the 4% compounded quarterly is equal to 3.99% compounded monthly. Example 2 naman, determine the nominal rate compounded weekly which is equal to 6% interest rate compounded monthly. Given natin ang R1 ay 6% o 0.06, ang M1 natin ay 12, ang I natin ay 0.005. Whereas to find the rates which is equivalent to that rate compounded weekly. Okay? So yung ating formula, the same pa rin doon sa una nating example. Okay, and we have to substitute that the given to the formula. So 52 times the quantity of 52 roots of 1 plus 005 raised to 12 minus 1. Okay, again, we have to compute this one using the calculator, and we come up 0.001151634 times 52, and then we come up 0.099. Okay, 0.599 or 5.99%. So therefore, 6% compounded monthly is equal to 5.99% compounded weekly. Okay. Example 3. Determine the effective rate which is equal to 9% interest rate compounded monthly. So ang R natin ay 9%, ang ating M ay 12. So ang I natin ay 0.0075. Okay, we have to find the W. So, solution to find for effective rates. So W equals 1 plus I raised to M minus 1. So that is 1 plus 0.0075 raised to 12 minus 1. So that is 1.0938. Ito, kapag i-compute natin ito, that's 1.0938. Kuha lang tayo ng apat na decimal, no? Tapos minus 1. W natin is 0.0938 or 9.38%. So therefore, 9% compounded monthly is equal to 9.38% effective rate or compounded annually. Number 4, the effective rate is equivalent. What is the effective rate to equivalent to 12% interest rate compounded bi-monthly? Ang given natin ang R1, ang R natin ay 12%, ang ating M ay 6. So, ang I natin ay 0.02. Okay, that is 0.12 divided 6. That's W. Okay, again, using the formula for the effective rate, so W equals 1 plus I raised to M minus 1. That is 1 plus 0.02 raised to 6 minus 1. So, ito again, compute natin ito using the calculator, and that is 1.1262 minus 1. So, that is 0.1262 or 12.62%. So, therefore, 12% compounded bi-monthly is equal to 12.62% effective rate or compounded annually. Number 5, what's the nominal rate compounded semi-annually is equivalent to 10% effective rate. So, ang given natin ay effective rate, 10%, that is 0.10. And we are asked to solve for the R, the compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually is 24. In the solution to find for nominal rate, R equals M times M root of 1 plus W minus 1. Okay? Tapos, substitute natin yung given. So, 24 times 24 root of 1 plus 0.1 minus 1. Okay, we come up this. Okay, ito, nasa parenthesis 0.0039799153 times 24. We come up 0.0955 or 95.55%. Okay, 10% effective rate is equal to 9.55% compounded semi-annually. So makita po natin kapag yung equivalent compounding periods no, pag ang given ay masyadong malaki yung number of M or yung ating frequency natin o compounding periods, mas maliit siya kaysa doon sa yung compounding period ay mas konti, no? So kagaya pag compounded period ay 1 o annually, 10% siya, pero sa compounded semi-annually 9.55% lang bumaba, no? So ganun po ang magiging equivalent rates natin. Right, so this is your activity to solve. Number 1, what is the nominal rate compounded monthly is equal to 15% compounded quarterly. Number 2, determine the nominal rate compounded quarterly equals to 13% compounded weekly. At number 3, at what interest rate compounded monthly is equal to 8.5% effective rate. Number 4, what is the nominal rate compounded semi-annually equals to 5% effective rate. Number 6, at what effective rate is equal to 7% compounded quarterly. Determine the effective rate which is equivalent to 20% compounded bi-weekly. So that's our lesson. I hope you learned from this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless.